Jesus has come into my life. Jesus has come into my life. Yesu yaje mu buzima bwanjye. Jesus has changed my life. Jesus has changed my life. Yesu yahinduye ubuzima bwanjye. Jesus has forgiven my sins. Jesus has forgiven my sins. Yesu yababariye ibyaha byanjye. Jesus has saved my soul. Jesus has saved my soul. Yesu yakijije ubugingo bwanjye. Jesus has given me peace. Jesus has given me peace. Yesu yampaye amahoro. Jesus has given me hope. Jesus has given me hope. Yesu yampaye ibyiringiro. Jesus has filled my heart with joy. Jesus has filled my heart with joy. Yesu yujuje umutima wanjye ibyishimo. Jesus has shown me the right way. Jesus has shown me the right way. Yesu yanyeretse inzira nziza. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga interuro zagufasha kuvuga ndetse no gusobanukirwa ururimi rw'Ikinyarwanda neza. Niba ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'Icyongereza, twandikire kuri nimero ubona kuri screen yawe aho hasi. Jesus has helped me every day. Jesus has helped me every day. Yesu yamfashije buri munsi. Jesus has answered my prayers. Jesus has answered my prayers. Yesu yasubije amasengesho yanjye. Jesus has healed my heart. Jesus has healed my heart. Yesu yakijije umutima wanjye. Jesus has blessed my family. Jesus has blessed my family. Yesu yahaye umugisha umuryango wanjye. Jesus has protected me. Jesus has protected me. Yesu yarandinze. Jesus has given me strength. Jesus has given me strength. Yesu yampaye imbaraga. Jesus has taught me love. Jesus has taught me love. Yesu yanyigishije urukundo. Jesus has taught me patience. Yesu yanyigishije kwihangana. Jesus has made me stronger. Jesus has made me stronger. Yesu yarankomeje. Jesus has given me wisdom. Jesus has given me wisdom. Yesu yampaye ubwenge. Jesus has changed my heart. Jesus has changed my heart. Yesu yahinduye umutima wanjye. Jesus has opened new doors for me. Jesus has opened new doors for me. Yesu yankinguriye imiryango mishya. Jesus has been with me. Jesus has been with me. Yesu yabanye nanjye. Jesus has never left me. Jesus has never left me. Yesu ntiyigeze antererana. Jesus has guided me. Jesus has guided me. Yesu yaranyoboye. Jesus has loved me. Jesus has loved me. Yesu yarankunze. Jesus has given me a new beginning. Jesus has given me a new beginning. Yesu yampaye intangiriro nshya cyangwa se itangiriro rishya. Jesus has restored my life. Jesus has restored my life. Yesu yasubije ubuzima bwanjye ku murongo. Jesus has restored my life. Yesu yasubije ubuzima bwanjye ku murongo. Jesus has given me courage. Jesus has given me courage. Yesu yampaye ubutwari. Jesus has comforted me. Jesus has comforted me. Yesu yarampumurije. Wow, I like this. Jesus has comforted me. Yesu yarampumurije. Jesus has lifted me up. Jesus has lifted me up. Yesu yaranshoboje. Jesus has lifted me up. Yesu yaranshoboje. Yesu yaranshoboje. Jesus has broken my chains. Jesus has broken my chains. Yesu yaciye ingoyi zanjye. Jesus has broken my chains. Yesu yaciye ingoyi zanjye. Jesus has set me free. Jesus has set me free. Yesu yarambohoye. Jesus has given me eternal life. Jesus has given me eternal life. Yesu yampaye ubugingo bw'iteka. Jesus has spoken to my heart. Jesus has spoken to my heart. Yesu yavuganye n'umutima wanjye. Jesus has strengthened my faith. Jesus has strengthened my faith. Yesu yakomeje ukwizera kwanjye. Jesus has strengthened my faith. Yesu yakomeje ukwizera kwanjye. Jesus has given me a purpose. Jesus has given me a purpose. Yesu yampaye intego y'ubuzima. Jesus has welcomed me. Jesus has welcomed me. Yesu yaranyakiriye. Jesus has welcomed me. Yesu yaranyakiriye. Jesus has called me by name. Jesus has called me by name. Jesus has transformed my life. Yesu yahinduye ubuzima bwanjye. Jesus has given me victory. Jesus has given me victory. Yesu yampaye intsinzi. Jesus has been faithful to me. Jesus has been faithful to me. Yesu yabaye indahemuka kuri njye. Jesus has been faithful to me. Yesu yabaye indahemuka kuri njye. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.